Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Kody Eutsler DUK here with me, and I'm gonna install some thick washers from Skiff Knives. And as usual, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful configuration right over here, zirconium titanium. It's just like the perfect configuration, slotted and milled duck. But anyways, we are here to swap the skiff bearings already in it because that's the drop shuttiness of this fella, which is gorgeous. And we just want to slow this down a little bit and check these bad boys out. So we're going to tackle this fella with a T8 Torx bit screw. So you can just start with opening the blade, and then I'm just going to start from the pivot. You take it out like so, and that is gone. We can actually do this kind of thing. Just push the pivot out right over there, and you can slowly and gently pull the blade out right there. And the same thing you can do with the couple body screw. One is going to be right over here, and the second one is going to be right over there. Okay, pretty simple. Take it apart nicely like so, and you're done. So I'm gonna just grab a couple of tweezers because we're pretty tight in here. Look at this. Can I do that? No. Can I do this? No. Can I do this? Okay. Here you go. Pivot collar is out. Hopefully is keyed in. Yeah. I mean, there's a dot, which I'm going to take care of that in a second. We first want to take out the bearings without doing any damage. That is interesting. So I'm going to grab this plastic tool right over here and see if it can just get inside that, but it really can't. That's interesting. My fingernails are not going to do anything. Let me see if I can get something. This is sketchy. Super sketch, but works. All right. And right over here, you see I'm just going in with the tiniest of the tip to grab these fellas out. Then next up is just gonna be microfiber cloth with some rubbing alcohol, like so, just to clean the inside of these beautiful scales. There's no internal skeletonization going on over here, but it's fine. It's not a huge deal. What do we care is that this thing is well made, solid, reliable, right? So skiff bearings gone. Skiff washers, welcome. We're gonna do, actually, now I'm gonna do a more thorough cleaning, now that I think, of these bearing pockets, because wow, these guys, the surface tension, it's real. So I'm just gonna do, because these are thick washers, so before there was some 85 weight nano oil, so I'm worried it might be too thick. Even a little bit of residue that's gonna go and mix with this 10 weight, actually 5 weight. Let's go big. We're gonna do a 5 weight nano oil, super light, and see how it works out for the washers. So let's go ahead. Let's grab the 5 weight, which is the yellow, right there, and I'm gonna do 1, 2. This is very, very light oil, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. And then I'm gonna also do a little bit, like 3 kind of dots on the washers themselves and on the detent ball right there. So, wow, I got, yeah, a lot of oil going on my hands. Something just opened up here. All right, okay, so that is done. Just grabbing the lock side right there. Let's just do the pivot. This probably, it really doesn't matter. We just want the color, yeah, to go first. And that's going to be the orientation right there for the color. And for the pivot screw, which is going to be right there. Blade is in place. We got spacer in place. Show side is in. I'm gonna align just the first body screw. Kinda finding the hole of that spacer, kind of like that. Then the second one is gonna just be easier, like so. There we go. So just reduce the tension, keep everything aligned, grab your T8, and just, you're gonna find eventually the hole, the thread on the lock side scale. Just do same for the second one. I'm not gonna over tighten right now, just tight. The tension is off here. Okay, and now just the pivot screws for the show side. It goes back in like so. Here you go, this is all the way down. We are going to check for blade centering, blade play, and way too tight, super tight. It's all right, not a big, let's just back it up a little bit. Ooh, I can already, ooh, feel the smoothness. Still, no blade play, pretty centered to me, very solid. Let's find the sweet spot where there is still no blade play. The blade is still centered. No, blade is not centered. Here you go, now it's centered. It's way too tight. So blade is still centered. Oh yeah. Woo, guys. Found the sweet spot. So check it out. Washers, guys. Check it out. Are we happy? Or what? Yeah. Zero blade play. Washers. There you have it. I am excited. Officially. This is probably not as smooth as this Varn 3 on washers, but I would say the second best action on washers I've ever experienced. Gorgeous. Fantastic one. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay tuned.